My name is Thomas and this is Sanderton Woods.
So we bought Sanderton Wood about 5 years ago now. Sanderton Wood is a 10-acre woodland with a couple of streams running through it, which lent itself ideally for a bit more than just for ourselves. So over the past 5 years, we've been setting the woodland up to run courses in green woodwork, as well as manage the woodland in a sustainable, traditional manner. The shelters and workshops here, compost toilet as well, have all been built using wood from the woods with the help of volunteers, and we've had a lot of fun doing it. Our favourite thing of the woods? Well, I think it's really just being here in the situation that it is, enjoying the quiet spot that there is with the stream running through, all the facilities we've had there, the natural resources. We found clay here, so we spent time processing and firing clay, making the clay oven, and just the whole setting really.
Spread.
As well as inspiring others to enjoy the wood and use sustainable resources for building and crafting.
Some of my favourite things are having friends over to the woods, enjoying time with other people, whether it's friends we already know or friends that we've made through the woodland. So we've run some forest school activities, so we've met quite a few new families through that and actually made some really good friends with their families and children. And then also, as Andy mentioned, all the activities with using the wood from within the woods for all sorts of different projects and games and craft activities. So I really enjoy that, and also I love just firewood chopping for the day.
Last winter, the project was building this little cabin here, all out of wood from the woods again. So it's almost entirely out of Sanderton wood larch, some of which are dried for the door material and so on. The rest just green larch, and we put this up for us, a nice little spot for us to stay, a bit more comfortable than camping when we come here.
Gemma, do you want to come and have a look inside?